the signs and respect the neighborhood. I can't believe I'm about to see the Goonies house. I think that's it right there. I don't even know like what to say. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, it's so much smaller in person. This is the Goonies house. Not painted, original, but it is private property. They allow you to come up here, but you can't bring your car up here, so you have to walk. And it's smaller too. It's smaller than it looks on film, but it's so crazy how it actually still kind of like looks just like it did. Like they got on their bikes right here and rode down this little hill. That's just crazy to me. Now, I don't know if you can see, but there's a line right here. See that little piece right there? I think they kept it originally from the movie where he swung Rita's house, and then I guess he like swung, and you can see that they kept the line, which is so crazy. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. The Fratelli's car. Oh my gosh. Bullet holes! Bullet holes! Bullet holes! Morning guys. I'm at a new Dollar Tree. This is in technically Warrenton, Oregon, but I just came from Astoria, and let's go in here and see what they got.
Good morning.
I'm in Portland, Oregon. Technically, that's where I flew into, and then I stayed the night in Astoria, which I probably put in some clips, but I went and saw the Goonies house. I freaked out, like my heart was pounding so fast. But yeah, so now I'm in this Dollar Tree. Sometimes these videos get a little chaotic because one, I can't, just do my normal style because Isaac Mizrahi. Oh my God, his memoir. I was just talking about him. I love his dresses, and he makes decor at Home Goods. I just bought some candy corn pillows of his. It's crazy. Anyways, I'm so distracted because I'm in a new store, but yeah, these videos get a little chaotic because I get distracted and I'm not as comfortable filming for some reason, but let's just see what they got, and I'll show you guys what ended up in my basket. So far, it's just looking like a typical, like a typical Dollar Tree store. I'm not seeing like any more than I would normally have.
She actually left, came back. That was okay. Yeah, it was quite the experience, isn't it? Oh, I've been there before.
They're so cute. Wow, these are so adorable. I don't think I've seen these. I love the little sun. Who remembers when I did my little birdhouse DIYs? So cute. I'll try to find it and link it down below. I love those so much. Didn't find any new stickers. Oh my God, they have it. I've been looking for their new drop on their body washes. They've done like a fall line. Sea salt and cedar. This was already here. Like this was like their summer. I'm not seeing the other ones. But oh my gosh, I wish I could take this back with me, but it's too big. I only have carry-on. Oh, that makes me, that hurts. That one hurts. And look how cute this is. What? I haven't even seen those at home. I'm sorry. What the hell? Wait. What? I'm taking this. Okay, this is all that I'm gonna get in this store today, but I'm gonna go to another one and then I'll probably do a haul.
For your PIN number. Oh, never mind. It's good.
Oh my gosh, I got my first brown bag from Dollar Tree. I've waited for this moment, sadly, for a while. They did charge 5 cents for a bag, but this was the option. It wasn't plastic like what I'm used to. So cute. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, I'm in Portland and I've never seen a Dollar Tree like this in my life. So, this is so interesting. Let's go in there and see what they got. Gosh. That doesn't open. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Also, look at this one. That is so cute. I have to get this. I don't know how I'm gonna get it back, but I'm gonna get that. Wait a minute. What? No. You're kidding me. I'm gonna find a way. Wait, little ornaments? I have not seen these in Dallas at all. That is crazy. Here's all their fall stuff. Looks so cute. I'm definitely on overload. Wait. What? I have not seen any of this at all. I could take these back with me. These are brand new. What? I've never seen that before. Oh my gosh, what? Oh my gosh, look how cute that is. Are you? That is so good.